Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to limit phone calls to contacts only on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings app. Once you're there, just tap on screen time right here and just scroll down a little till you see the communication limits right there. So tap on it, and once you're here, go click on or tap on during screen time option. And here you will see options like contacts only or the contacts and groups with at least one contact. So in default or on default is set to everyone. So just tap on contacts only right there. And now you could now allow one-on-one and group conversation only with people in your contacts. So if you try to call someone which is not in your contact, your screen time settings will only allow you to communicate with your contacts, so it will be disabled and you cannot call someone without them being in your contacts. So that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.